Today I will be doing a fall inspired makeup look for you. It will be a warm smoky eye with gold, so I hope you enjoy. I'm using the Morphe 35B eyeshadow palette. The first shadow I'm using is this peach coral shadow, and I will use this as my transition shade. Next, I'm taking this orange matte shadow. I'm going to blend that into the coral shadow. Now I will take this fuchsia berry color. I will apply this where I applied the orange and the coral. I am taking this matte black shadow and using this fuchsia berry color. I will mix those two shadows and I will apply it on the outer part of my eyes. Now I'm taking this hot pink eyeshadow. I will apply this on the inner half of my eyes. I'm taking the orange shadow. I am placing that below the pink on my lower lash line. Now I am taking a foundation base and I'm going to make an outline on my upper lash line because I'm going to add a gold eyeshadow on top. This eyeshadow is from the original Carli Bybel eyeshadow palette, so I will be applying that to wherever I applied the foundation base. And then from the Morphe 35B palette, I'm using this pink shimmer shadow. I will apply this to my brow bone and inner corners. And then for lashes, I'm using the Salon Perfect Wispies in number 614. So this is my final look. This is one of the makeup looks I have done about 2 years ago, and and I recreated it for you for the fall season, and I think this is very nice for the holidays. But I really like the colors together. So I like the cranberry tones and the pink. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.